Well, she was sleeping. Now she's gonna go back to sleep. Told you. But, never mind. She can hear people talking and walking by and everything else, but she's a little bit on the edgy side tonight. She'll relax and go to sleep. Yeah, I know. I know the feeling. Oh, even more of that cream of rice. On a nice foggy night. And Willow's still up. She'll be going to bed here pretty soon. I know she will. Just one of those great nights. Well, tomorrow I'll be looking a little bit different. You guys will see. And right now I'm doing great. Just having my cream of rice. Willow is sleeping with her eyes open. Okay, they're closing right now. Kinda, sort of. I had a good day today. Nice and relaxing. A little bit hectic, to nice and relaxing again. I hope you guys heard that one. That was her, not me. So, I'll be right back. I have to open up the back hatch. She did a goodie. She booted, and it stinks. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe, like, and share. I do videos every 2 videos per day, and maybe 3, depends. And I do videos with Willow, Zuma, my wife, and I, and sometimes Ellie Bell. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Well, this one's asleep. Are you sleeping?